going on, y'all? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. We got a little special treat today. We are unboxing the Microsoft Surface Duo. Alright, now y'all know I got the Galaxy Z Fold 2, so this thing got some tough company to keep up with. But we're gonna give this a fair shake. This phone isn't for me, it's for a relative of mine, but I'm gonna do they were kind enough to send me the phone so I could do a little review on it and unboxing. So we're gonna give it a fair shake. This phone came out in August 2020, so I'm pretty sure some updates and stuff came out. Maybe it was better, but I'm gonna hold my my opinion on this phone until the review. But we're gonna go over some quick specs, man. The body unfolded, it unfolds like 360 degrees, so that's pretty cool. The front screen is Gorilla Glass 5. It's not that Gorilla Glass Victus like the other ones, but whatever, it's cool. The display is AMOLED, so it should be some rich color in it. I mean, it's not the best AMOLED, but whatever. The size of it is 8.1 inches, so it's a pretty large display. The platform is running on, the OS is Android 10 with that Qualcomm Snapdragon. Got it right that time. There's no memory card slot, but it is the 2-day offer is 128 gigs with 60 gigs of RAM and 256 with 60 gigs of RAM. You got the main camera. It's only one camera, but I'll tell y'all how I feel about that later. But yeah, it's only one camera. It's 11 milliamps, or not milliamps, 11 megapixel camera. It's just that single one. It's the same camera for the selfie. Like if you want to use do a selfie, it's the same camera. They got speakers, Wi-Fi enabled, fingerprint sensor is on the side. The battery is a 3,577 milliamp battery. It's not the best, but it is what it is. And the charging, they do have fast charging with that 18-watt fast charger in the box. And the only color they offer is white. So yeah, it is what it is. Without further ado, we're gonna get into it. I already cut the plastic off of this, so y'all don't have to worry about me cutting my finger. I know y'all so worried, so worried. Come on, there you go. All right, we're gonna move this one out the way and put that right there. All right, here's your device. Oh, wait a minute. Here's your device right here. And we're gonna see what's in the box. All right, this damn Surface Duo bumper. It's not a case. I'm gonna show y'all what it is. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me not rip this thing up. They put 2 noodles in this box. This is not a bumper. This is not a case. This is a noodle. I put this in my soup, my Alfredo, my pasta. This is a noodle. I don't know what this is supposed to do. I don't know if it's supposed to protect anything, but I guess if you happen to drop it on this actual rim of this, then you're fine. But this is a noodle. All right, next we have this. I think this is just books and stuff. We're not gonna look into this. I already know it's books. And then right here, you have your 18-watt fast charging brick. Take that out so y'all can see. 18-watt fast charging brick. And now this is just your, as you can see, USB Type-C charging cable. Not much to it. USB Type-C to USB Type-C. You charge it, it charges, you use the phone, it is what it is. All right, and nothing else in the box. And now we're gonna get to this device. Let's peel this bad boy off. Hit a crunch, hear the crunch. Now open it, boom. Get out of there. All right, and this is the phone. Let me wipe this thing down real quick. I did my best. This is the phone. First looks, first initial impressions. It's a lot thinner than I thought it would be. It's a lot longer than I thought it would be. This thing is pretty wide, man. Y'all know I got the Galaxy Z Fold 2. That thing's pretty big, but this thing it's thin, but this is big. Like in my hand, I don't feel like I'm holding one piece of machinery. It definitely feels like 2 different pieces. It's very weird. There's your camera. There's your camera right here. There's no camera on the back, no display, no anything, just that logo. And that's it. Just that logo right here. Nothing. You got your USB Type-C cutout right here for the charging port. On the side, you have your SIM ejection slot. You have your fingerprint reader. You got the power on and off, volume up and down. Nothing on the top. Nothing on this side. And nothing. Your speaker grill is right there. And then your microphone is this little cutout right there. And then the hinge. You got this hinge. This hinge feels pretty smooth. It's pretty nice. And it folds all the way around. So that's a pretty cool feature. How practical that is, we're gonna figure that stuff out in the review, but let's power this thing on. You can sit this thing up. This kind of reminds me of like a Kindle, like a little Kindle book. There you go. There's the start screen. The color is pretty vivid. See if y'all can tell. I mean, it's only a dark color, but pretty vivid. Checking for new voicemails. Come on, bro. I just turned you on. All right, you swiped open. So yeah, this is the home screen. This is what you got right here. It moves pretty smooth because it has that Snapdragon. All right, and then what is this? Wants to access photos? Sure, why not? So when you swipe all the way to the left, it's gonna do a split screen view. You get the home screen. And then you got this little manager thing to the side, which is like your daily updates, weather, phone information, you know, stuff like that, recent activities, just to keep you updated with the world. If you swipe up, you got your app drawer. There's all your apps there. I haven't installed much in here. This is pretty much just default stuff. I like this animation though. When you swipe this up, how these shuffle to the side. I like that. That's nice. Let's see if I swipe up on this side. Okay, same thing. So if you swipe up on both sides, it just switches. Let's see how fast this is. All right. So yeah, if you get to the end of the screen, I'm pretty sure you can add more apps here. Let's swipe down. You get your search bar. And you search whatever, I guess, on your phone. You pull the app drawer, or not the app drawer down, but the notification panel down. Turn this brightness all the way up. And then you got your typical, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, do not disturb, flashlight, and stuff like that. Let's see, we're gonna play, let's see what we can do. We're gonna go to YouTube, check the scrolling speeds or the searching speeds. YouTube. All right, let's click on that. See how this shows up. I wonder if you can make this thing full screen. Don't know. All right, and we're gonna play a video. We're gonna see how these videos play on here. Let's do this one.
What's going on, guys? We are back with another tech video.
Viewing full screen. To exit, swipe down on the top of the app. Got it. It's not really full screen though. Can I turn it this way? How do I put it on everything? So I'm trying to figure out how to put this on both screens. It says to exit, swipe that way, but
I got it, I think September 18th or 19th. I originally had the Mystic Bronze version, but it had like a manufacturer.
Hold on real quick. Let me see if it's something I'm missing. Hold on real quick. All right, we back, y'all. So I don't think it's a way to make this actually full screen. I think this is the best you're gonna get. This is the best you're gonna get. You fold it up this way, it turns this way. Turn it that way, it pops right back. You flip the screen all the way over. You got your YouTube on one side. I guess that's as much full screen as gonna be. There's always gonna be this little border. And then on the other side, it just says you double tap. Double tap. Double tap. What happened? Yo, this thing is tripping out right now. Hold on, hold on. So this is a lock screen. Open back up. Open. Yo, where's the YouTube? Ugh, this thing is playing games with me right now. All right, yeah. You double tap. It's supposed to.
I'm OCD. It bothered me, even though it was like super thin, like an airline.
There you go. You double tap. You switch over. You flip over again. Double tap. And then I guess that pops open. This is the hinge. Oh, let me turn this off. I'm trying to get oriented with this phone. I never had a phone like this. This is Microsoft, but yeah, as you see, you're gonna have this little black bezel. This thing is thick, boy. Look how thick this is. Thick as an ox, baby. This thing is all around the phone. It's thick little border. But let's see. We got it in light mode right now, so everything is pretty light. It's on bright mode and it's on vivid. The color is okay, but I definitely think it could be a lot better. But let's see what else we got in here. Let's go to settings. Settings. All right, this is what your settings are gonna look like. You got your network, connected devices, app, sound, display, wallpaper, security. All the typical, it's almost like a regular Android setup or like Samsung. And then you get rid of apps by swiping. All right, let's try internet speeds. Let's see. Come on, come on. No, I don't want to sign in right now. All right, let's see how this works. Apple.com. Okay. I asked it to go to apple.com, but it just took me to the search. What is this? Oh, okay. What is it? Come on. So much stuff they're asking me. Leave me alone. I just want to play with the phone. All right. This is the apple.com. It's the full website. It's using that Snapdragon, so it's going to be pretty fast. Like most phones. But the feel of this thing, the feel is definitely lighter than I thought it would be. It's definitely thinner than I thought it would be. The hinge is smooth, like you can definitely tell there's some friction when you pull on this hinge, so it's not gonna like flap around and like break off or anything like that. This is a cool feature that it opens up and closes like this. But yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of this. It's just like an initial unboxing, so y'all can see what comes in the box and kind of see the initial setup for it. As always, subscribe, share, like, comment, hit that bell for notifications. And we're gonna do it big. This is the Surface Duo by Microsoft. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Let's get it.